Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to show you just updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Bitcoin dominance. Let's dive in. Yes, now you could see a lot of posts like it's a Black Monday, it's a Black Swan, everything is so bad. But guys, we talked about it before. All these events is priced before, and all this in Nashville, the Bitcoin conference, it was not bullish one, it was bearish one. I showed you the post when I showed you the all previous Bitcoin conferences and how it played out. In this area, it played out like even 60% down. So around here, it was like 26% down, then 10, or even lower. Now we got like 30% down. Is it enough or not? Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. If you don't have a plan, now you can worry. You know, you're stressful. But if you got a plan, what's the point to worry about what you can control? You can control only the size of your position, your entry, your exit, and that's it. If we talk about like investment, if you dream about invest in some coin, now the good opportunity to buy, right? If you stuck in some coin, I recommend you not cut your losses. Of course, it's only up to you, but guys, we still didn't see the main altcoin season, and I think we will see. So just relax, don't need to scroll or feed of Twitter trying to find some bullish signal. Guys, market go in both ways, up and down, up and down. All influencers shield you only up. That's a trap. So nothing special happening. So why here nobody talk about we pump at 44% in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. We pump at 44%. Nobody talk about why it's happening. It's manipulation. Now we like dump 30% and everybody's screaming it's manipulation. It's whales dump it, blah blah blah, Black Monday recession and all this stuff. Guys, it's just a price action. We can't move only up forever, only down forever. So nothing special happened. We come back just from the first level. We come back to 0.5 level FIB. This FIB absolutely still relevant since basically 2022. And there was no signal to accumulate Bitcoin here. So here was a money inflow on the weekly time frame. It's on a Binance, September. Then money outflow. Here was a pure signal on the weekly time frame, RSI barrier awareness. And seasonality, we got a seasonality. So it's okay to going down in August or September. Is it so bad like a COVID dump? Basically not. Take a look. If you didn't be here, in a COVID dump here, let's count from February. Let's count it from February. It was like 63% down. And then we got like in one weekly candle, we drop it down 53%. So basically now we drop 30%. Pretty good. Why it's good? Because if you got a plan to buy some coins, now guys, if you're new on this market, if you just heard about a crypto, you know, and you just join, bro, now literally almost the best time for investment. Of course, maybe it's gonna be just by luck, you know, because you're in the right time. But now it's a good time for buying. Yes. Can we drop lower? Of course we can. I made a post about it. We just have to make a deal with yourself. What are you doing with your money? You know, of course, I don't want to do some kind of boring psychological videos, guys. Let's talk about more charts, but I made a lot of posts about psychology. So if we talk about investments, nothing special happened on a Bitcoin, right? Now you will see all these people start drawing the trend lines, like this one, and then extending right. But of course, they will not draw in like this one. They will draw and find the support here, then find the support here, and only up. No, guys, we can drop even lower, even to, let's say, to 23 level by 41K, 41,400. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. Going to monthly time frame here, all these gaps are closed, so we close the full field. Perfect. Perfect. Take a look. This is a spot on a Binance. Almost close. Next one is this one tiny one and this one tiny one. 35, 200, 37, and this one. So I don't think so will drop much lower. But monthly time frame here, I showed it before. Here the money outflow, 1, 2, 3, how it playing out previously. We dump it that time 55%, and now we dump it from 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. It was a dump 33%. All right, so let's count the 55. 55, magic, right? 32K, 33. It's kind of weird, right? If we dump it here. So it will be the actual drop like it was here in April 2021. So imagine. So this is not some craziness or so. So from the top, this one we dump it 55%. Now if we dump it to 55, it's going to be the 33K. Are you ready for this? If not, better out of this market, guys. So I can't shield you only the positive news, guys. Do I believe the bull run ends? Of course not. Of course not. We will see the pre-election October. So positive, I guess. Most likely we can see something like this one, breaking out, retesting, going in kind of like this one, triangle. My take for Bitcoin. I don't believe in stupid 300K, 500K for Bitcoin. No, it takes more conservative price targets. 91,300 based on this fee. 91K. Yes, next one 127, 163. If we take a look on the Bitcoins, signals on indicators. So here, weekly time frame, no bullish signal. Unfortunately, no bullish signals on a weekly time frame. Daily one, yes, we got a money inflow. So the August just a start. So we can see locally moves even like this move. Just for example, I can't know the for sure. For me, of course, guys, me like in you, I'm waiting only up. But unfortunately, market goes in both ways, right? So we can't work only with the hopium. The people like all this hopium news, but we can go in sideways like this one, forming the bar pattern. Would be good. Now the money start inflow, but it's on a daily time frame. And if it's a start money inflow only for local swing trades, it's kind of bad. So we can test 46, for example. So anyway, I truly believe in new all-time high for Bitcoin. Also, not all altcoins, I repeat this boring information all the time, not all altcoins will hit new all-time high. New one or old one especially will not hit new all-time high. So don't live in just some with the pink glasses, right? And believe in all this dumb shit what the influencers show you. Guys, unfortunately not. And the regulation, I hope one day we will see the regulation, right? And they will just delist and vanish all these meme tokens, all these scam tokens, all these tokens with random airdrops, right? Because you can open the chart of any last brand new token with airdrops, they dump it like Iowa, for example, from $3 to 30 cents. So it's just madness. ZK. So it's just mind blowing how the team just distribute their bags. So for Bitcoin, I don't think so. This is going to be the support line. Let's take a look on the line chart. No, nothing interesting. Basically, this is impulse, sideways impulse should be. I don't think so. This is the end of bull run for sure. So no money inflow on money power. Let's take a look. ADZ direction. We're in accumulation. So this is accumulation. This is accumulation. And take a look. What is good here? This is accumulation. This is accumulation now. And we formed the divergence. Tiny divergence on the ADZ, but bigger divergence on the chart. Here was all these signals out of Bitcoin. So you could track everything by yourself. Of course, I don't think so. We're going to form the biggest divergence like this one and drop to 10K now. No, I don't think so. So let's take a look on market money power. A little bit market came down. Money power I already showed you. A little bit market came down. So here, compare. This weekly time frame, this was a disbelief. Depression zone, I showed you it was a bottom. Of course, I can't catch exact till penny and show you the target exact till penny. No, guys, but this area, this zone around 27 block, around this stage, right? It was a bottom for Bitcoin. So here was disbelief. Then we trade like kind of in a free zone. So it would be good to see optimism zone, like it was in mate zone with 1. And after that, one more leg up. So it's kind of weird now. Unfortunately, of course, I totally understand. It's pretty hard to take a pain. This one, sell. So no new signal to buy or buy back on a weekly time frame. I can't draw you a new one signal if they not even exist. So it was a signal to buy. That was to take profit, sell, so you can distribute it. Unfortunately. Also, let's take a look monthly. This is what I don't like, and I already explained to you in one big video about Bitcoin. Here was a signal to sell. Here was a signal to sell. Buy back. On a whole history, I already showed you this chart, so I highly recommend you go and check big video about Bitcoin. The historical chart, BLX. Now we hold the line at this one gap, but we got a signal to sell. No new signal to buy back. So it's kind of scary. All right, so let's close this one, take profit. Let's go to BTC on Bitstamp with the take profit. Here, yes, so we sweep it the actual lows. We close this one weekly gap. We close on a bit gap. We didn't close the full fill also. So here the take exit line now at 35,600. I don't think so. We're gonna drop so low like this one. Weekly time frame, we dump it under this area. Now hold the line. Next step is gonna be this gap. This one can be this one. It's 34 and 37,600. This one. So basically this weekly almost close. So would be good, of course, to see the full fill 49 on a Bitstamp, but we will see. And now we bounce pretty good, right? So on the daily time frame. Also on a daily time frame, I shared you before the buy line. It's 43K. Is it possible to hit 43K? More than real. Why not? At this current moment on the daily time frame is 85K 800. It's a take profit line. Exit line is 97 96K. So we will see. Would be good, of course. The faster we drop to the buy line like this one, the faster we recover back. So this is what about a Bitcoin, guys. Take a look on Ethereum. For Ethereum, absolutely FIB relevant. So I drove this FIB in 2022. Nothing special happened, right? So this is a zone of accumulation, and you know this zone. So if you dream about accumulate Ethereum, you can accumulate it here. If you're okay to accumulate Ethereum now at 2K100, you can accumulate now. So we dump it basically from March, like 48%. In May 2021, we dump it like 61%. All right, let's take a look. 61%, it's gonna be like this area, actual lows or sweep of this low, 1K500. More than real to see. It's gonna be only a zero level. Next step is here. So all zones relevant. So this was a money inflow 2022, money outflow, money outflow, money inflow, money outflow. Now no new money inflow, guys. I can't show you the random things. Also bearish signals here. Money outflow. 3 months, January, February, March, 3 months in a row, money outflow. Bearish, huge every side awareness. Unfortunately, how it ended in 2018, it was pretty similar picture. But also, I still don't think this is the end of bull run and it's just a bounce, right? My take also for Ethereum, I don't believe in 10K or 20K or so. I believe in 6K 800 with ETF or without ETF, and 9K 991. So this is one. All targets relevant and will be relevant. Personally, for me, you should throw your own, or you can use this one. No divergence, just an accumulation. So this was a distribution March. Now we're in accumulation. This was signals to out. Now no new signal to buy. We need to see something at least like in January, somewhere at 3, this one, signals to buy back. Unfortunately, now no good signal for Ethereum. Market mood looks a little bit better here. This is disbelief, capitulation, disbelief. Now we're in the hope zone. The hope zone is similar like last time it was here in October 2023. So this one. So of course would be good to see the liquidation, this kind of order flow to test a zero level, bounce and going higher. So this is going to be the perfect scenario. By end of August or September, it's going to be just a super scenario. But of course we can hold the line now and bounce. Trade on, take profit. Buy line at this current moment, it's 1K 500 on a weekly time frame. Is it possible to test it? Of course it's possible. More than real. What's signal to sell? Buy back, bounce. No new signal to buy back. Got it. Daily time frame. What do we see on a daily time frame here? We tested a buy line. For the while of this token, Ethereum, it's 1K 695. So guys, unfortunately, nothing special. All lines are relevant. All lines are dynamic, and you could track it everything by yourself. What I don't like, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance. Here is also I recommend you to watch the others chart, what I posted yesterday, the targets for alt season. Also recommended to watch the total 2, total 3 videos. This is altcoin season zone, everything's still relevant. Here we sweep at the high of Bitcoin dominance. Now we're trying breaking out this, was like a low support, now it's like rejection. Next step can be here. So it's a range like 59.65, 57.20. Unfortunately, if we pump it like this one, it's going to be one more dump on altcoins. But what is good? I got a good news for you on Bitcoin dominance here. This is a weekly time frame. Take a look. We never seen the similar bearish signal for Bitcoin dominance ever. So this is good for us, for altcoins investors. Take a look. 2 bearish RSI MACD divergences, December 2023. Repeat, RSI bearish divergence, April 2024. MACD bearish divergence, May 2024. Money outflow. So this is can be or the already last stop for Bitcoin dominance, or the last impulse and then drop it down. So this is it. Take a look on, also I would like to show you by end of this video, I would like to show you the DXY index. DXY index, here's my chart. We can see one more pump on DXY index like this one and then dump. In this area, it's going to be the end of bull run for Bitcoin. Where is... here is my chart. So yes, I mark the, let's extend the lines, right? So here I mark it, this is going to be the bottom for DXY and top for Bitcoin. So this is it. And this is a takes where we can see the correction on DXY and dump it again. So hard to say about the timing. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about this current station on the Bitcoin and Ethereum. What altcoins do you have a plan to buy? If you would like to trade with my customer Krasava, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.